Information about Buddleja x weyeriana. Buddleja x weyeriana is a hybrid shrub that is a cross between two species of Buddleja, Buddleja globosa, and Buddleja crispa. It is also known as Buddleja x weyeriana sun gold or Buddleja x weyeriana honeycomb. This deciduous shrub typically grows to a height of 3 to 5 feet, 0.9 to 1.5 meters, and a width of 3 to 4 feet, 0.9 to 1.2 meters. It has a bushy habit and produces long, arching stems. The leaves are lance-shaped, gray-green in color, and have a slightly hairy texture. The most notable feature of Buddleja x weyeriana is its flowers. They are borne in dense clusters at the ends of the stems from midsummer to early autumn. The flowers are a striking golden yellow color and have a sweet, honey-like fragrance. They are highly attractive to butterflies and other pollinators. Buddleja x weyeriana is a relatively low-maintenance shrub that is easy to grow. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil. It is tolerant of drought and can withstand some frost, but may require protection in colder climates. Pruning can be done in early spring to maintain the shape and size of the shrub. Overall, Buddleja x weyeriana is a beautiful and easy to grow shrub that can add color and fragrance to any garden.